Welcome to Yaizu Gardenia, a charming traditional guest house where the cries of seagulls welcome you to this quaint fishing town. Nestled in the heart of Shizuoka's coastal Yaizu region, this beautifully restored old Japanese house blends historic charm with modern comforts. Just steps away from Sunlife Yaizu and Josho-ji Temple, this peaceful retreat offers a perfect escape with free Wi-Fi and private parking. The air-conditioned apartment features one cozy bedroom, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a clean, comfortable bathroom, ideal for couples or solo travelers. Relax with a flat-screen TV after a day of exploring nearby attractions like Rengejiike Park Fuji Festival, just 7.5 kilometers away. Sports fans will appreciate the proximity to Shizuoka Stadium ECOPA, only 46 kilometers from your doorstep. Convenient transport links put Shizuoka Station within 15 kilometers and Shimizu Station 26 kilometers away, while Shizuoka Airport is just a 19-kilometer drive. Whether you're here to soak in the local culture, enjoy fresh seafood, or simply unwind by the harbor, Yaizu Gardenia offers a serene stay with all the essentials. Don't forget to check the description below for booking details. Scan the QR code to reserve your stay today. Experience the soothing sounds of the sea and the warmth of traditional Japanese hospitality at this hidden gem.